Okay, I'm moving out, and in order to make room for stuff in my bag, I'm going to eat these Bugs fruit snacks. My grandma gave me these about 5 or 6 years ago, and I've always said I wanted to give them to someone, but the time for that has come and gone. Now I have no choice but to eat them. So I just record what they taste like. It tastes good. Rather tough consistency. I can't squeeze them at all, really. But yeah, tasty fruit snacks. I'm actually so surprised at how good these are that I may never eat fruit snacks again. Just by sheer virtue of horror. How would they survive such grueling conditions? Being moved to 2 or 3 different places. Living at like the bottom of bags of stuff. And wow. I'm actually pretty hungry too, but my vegetable chili is almost done. Might record myself eating that for fun. I'm gonna miss this place. Yeah, they're all the same flavor too. They're all red or yellow or orange. Kind of a disappointment. I'm gonna bite into this blind and end the video.